Hey y'all, it's Koya Renee and I'm back with another video. So I have decided to wash my hair. I told you I was going to wash this quick weave, this beauty supply store hair from my previous video. So if you haven't checked out that video, make sure you tune in for that video. But I decided to wash this hair. By the way, guys, this is Empire hair from the beauty supply store. I think it cost about $60 or almost $60. It probably wasn't even quite $60. I'm probably being a little bit over the amount that I paid, but it was fairly cheap. I got two 12 inches, and I love this beauty supply store hair. Like, I love it so much because it's not really shiny like most beauty supply store hair is. It has a nice finish to it, and you can wash it and it can get back flawless. So now I'm just going to take my Silverbird blow dryer. I got this blow dryer from Sally's. This blow dryer was fairly inexpensive as well. And it gets your hair straight. It gets your hair dry really, really fast. I love this blow dryer a lot. And I'm just gonna blow dry my hair, y'all. And also, don't come for me in the comments. It's always something, y'all. My last video, I had hair down my video. This video, honey, I'm ashy as hell. I don't know what be going on. I had just got out the shower. You know how you get out the shower, you're a little ashy. That's what I am right now. But don't be focused on the ashiness. Be focused on this fleekiness. Get into it, honey. So next I'm going to take this It's-A-Tan spray, and I let you all know in my last video when I used the It's-A-Tan spray that this spray has so many qualities to it, so many benefits to it. It serves as a leave-in conditioner, a heat protectant, it adds shine. It's a lightweight, thing to add to your hair. I really really like it, and I'm just going to go back in with that Silverbird blow dryer, and I'm going to blow dry my hair. So on my previous wash day routine video, a couple of you asked how do I dry my braids underneath my sew-in, and I just kind of put the blow dryer, I just lift my hair and just put the blow dryer in between the wefts, and I just blow dry my braids like that. And that pretty much works for me. Also, if you all want to see how I wash my hair, I didn't show it in this video, but I used the exact same products and washed it the exact same way that I did in my previous wash day routine video. I'm going to link that video in the description box if you all want to see that video of how I wash my hair. I did the same thing. I did it in this video. So after my hair is completely dry, what I like to do is take my Got2b glue spray, and I like to spray the shaft of my hair, and then I like to smooth that product in just so I can make sure that it gets everywhere. Then I take my crimper and iron. I also got this from Sally's. It's the iron crimper, so do not ask me. I know somebody gonna ask me anyways. You heifers better start listening. No, I'm kidding. But what is this? This crimping iron is from Sally's, and I think this crimping iron was probably $40 if I'm not mistaken. It was around that amount. It's not that much. Some of y'all be tripping on. Some of y'all be like, that's too much. Dang, I'm a little broke. Okay, I'm a little broke too, sis. But if you want your hair fleeky, get into it. Spend a couple dollars. Dang. But yeah, I'm just going to finish crimping my hair, and I'm going to just let y'all finish getting into this look. So as some of you all can see, the part around my leave out, I like to take the tracks that surrounds my leave out. I like to take that part and clip it off so that I can crimp that part of my hair with my leave out, so it can have the same wave pattern, and so it'll blend a lot better. So make sure you leave that out. If you have your leave out in, I know a lot of people are into frontals and lace closures and stuff like that, but all my leave out girls, that's just a little tip for you all if you're going to be crimping your hair. Another thing that I like to do is take my small babyless flat iron. I ordered these online from Macy's. I'm not sure if Macy's sell these anymore, but all you have to do is type in small babyless flat iron. But I like to take my small babyless flat irons and I like to give myself one pass just so I can straighten my hair so it'll have a much better flawless finish. Now, just for those people that are probably going to come for me, and it's probably still going to be people that's going to come for me anyways and say, that's too much heat on your natural hair. No. Listen, this is my hair, okay? And if you're a natural sister, you know, got to keep your curls popping. Ain't nothing wrong with that. I would recommend not crimping your hair at all because it is going to be some heat on your hair. And it's a lot of heat. So I don't care about a curl pattern. All I care about is my hair being thick and full. That's what I care about my hair, not being thick and full and not shedding badly. And I take care of my hair. I don't care about having that much of a curl pattern, but it's cute or whatever. But if you are going to be concerned about the integrity of your leave out, then I suggest just getting a frontal and getting a lace closure and just follow the tutorial and do it the same way, sis. But for my leave out girls, this is what I do whenever I crimp my hair when I leave my hair out. However, I do plan on really soon getting me a lace closure and a frontal and trying my best, y'all, because I've never done it before, but trying my best to lay my own lace closure and my own frontal, because I don't want to keep putting a lot of heat on my hair. I actually hate it. Honestly, I do hate it. Not for the curl pattern, but I just, like I said, I know over time it'll make your hair start to thin out. So I do not crimp my hair every day. I do not put heat on my hair every day. So I do try to maintain a healthy state for my hair. So I do not crimp my hair all the time though, guys. When I have my sew-ins, I probably literally crimp my hair one time because I know that it's a lot of heat. And I use a heat protectant and I use a lower heat setting once I do get on my leave out. But I'm definitely going to start using getting a lace closure and a frontal. I'm not sure how it's going to look, y'all, honey. I'm scared it's going to be looking wiggy, but I'm going to try my best, honey, to make this thing work out. So if you all know anyone, any company that sells any good lace closures and frontals, please let me know in my comment section down below, because I definitely want to start getting my lace closures and frontals so that I can get some of those videos out for you all, because I want to try so many different colors, and I know I can't do it with my real hair. My hair will be damaged and fried as hell, but I definitely want to get into it. So please let me know in the comment section down below who has some good frontals. And so, because I know it's going to be some new people that's going to watch this video and that's going to see this video and be like, well, what did you use? Well, what did you do, Koya? I have a video on the products I use to lay my leave out, and I have a video also on the products that I use for my edges as well. So if you all want a detailed video on how I do my edges and how I blend my leave out and what proper products to use, then make sure you tune into both those videos. I will have that video linked in my description box below, as well with the video on how I wash my hair for this video. So make sure you tune into those videos, guys, if you want to see. But guys, this is the finished look of my hair. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Get into this look, honey. Get into this look. If you all have tried crimps or did some crimps and seen this video, then please tag me, follow me on Instagram, and tag me in your picture or your video so I can repost you on my Instagram, honey. I want to repost your beautiful ass, honey. Yes, I love you all so much. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment, y'all. Especially leave a comment. Don't forget to leave a comment about who got them good frontals and lace closures. I love y'all. Bye.